Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, My Little Green Space. Hope you and your plants are doing great. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to pot a plant purchased from a nursery. Many of us would have bad experience of losing a plant post-potting. Proper potting is key to set your plant for success. Let's take a look at what to know while potting. Firstly, do not pot the plant on the very first day of purchase. This is because we might not know when the plant was transplanted onto the grow bag in the nursery. So we are giving some time for the plant to adapt to the soil in which it is presently there. Allow the plant to rest for 3 days in semi-shade at your place in the same grow bag. You can water the plant if required. Next is the choice of pot. Choose the pot with right size for your plant. I have taken a clay pot for my zinnia plant. This has a drainage hole in it. I am taking few broken pieces from a pot to cover it. This is done to prevent choking or blockage of the drainage hole. Friends, remember this is an important step to be considered while potting. Let me add few more stones as well. And we are done with step 2. The third step is adding the potting mix. Add the potting mix little by little. Spread and level it in the process of doing this. Now let's fill half of the pot with the potting mix. We have a guest in the soil. It's an earthworm, the gardener's friend. We can leave this as such. It will help adding nutrients to the soil. The pot is half filled with potting mix. It's time to remove the grow bag from the plant. Using scissors, now let's cut open the grow bag. Gently remove the grow bag completely from the soil. The soil here is not that tight. In case if soil is very hard, we can just immerse the soil in water so that it can be loosened. I am going to place it as such in the pot. Plant your sapling firmly in the center of the pot. Let me drag it. So ensure that the plant is centered. Now the fourth step is done. We can add the remaining potting mix now. Step 5 is press the potting medium firmly around the base of the plant. Step 6 is watering the plant. Water the plant gently until you see the water draining out at the bottom. Now you can see that water has started coming out of the drainage hole. This is how you will have to water it. This will ensure that all layers of the soil in the pot has moisture. Now we are done potting the plant. Here comes an important point. As the plant has been transplanted, this will undergo transplant shock and will take some time to adapt to the new potting medium. We will have to place the pot in a semi-shade area for about 3 to 4 days and water the plant whenever required. Once you feel the plant looks healthy, you can shift it to a sunny area. I shot this video 2 weeks after potting. The plant is performing well and there are many blossoms in it. Friends, I hope you would have got a clear idea how to pot a plant purchased from a nursery. I have been successful following this process for quite a number of years. Hope this video was useful. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. This means a lot to me. We can grow as a community together. Until we meet again, it's Michael signing off. Bye bye and happy gardening.